This is the outline for a property workshop which we're carrying out on the 9th of August at 2 p.m. at the Village Hotel, Lakeshore Drive, Cosham, Portsmouth. It's for transforming property value, creating generational wealth. So it's wealth creation through property. What we're going to go through is the outline here. We get the price includes lunch and refreshments, snacks served throughout the event, exclusive networking with other paying attendees who are there for the whole event. This is not necessarily property people, but also business people who are attending the event. The event objectives showcase how Alpus Group solves property problems to unlock hidden value, demonstrate how property owners and investors can create great returns. So we solve property problems for property owners, and we give investors the opportunities for great returns. We share real-world proven property strategies for building generational wealth. We introduce key partners and experts from the UK property investment community, and we facilitate genuine connections and deal making through structured networking. So the schedule is lunch and networking, arrival, 15 minutes, how Alpus transforms property value, 15 minutes, some real case studies from problem properties to profitable investments, how Alpus helps owners unlock value and relieve burdens, and investors' returns, trust, transparency and performance. Our expert guest speaker, Abdur Mokbat, Property Filter, is going to talk to us about this software tool, which amazingly shortens the time taken to search for properties. It's a really useful software, costs £99 a month. We can give you a free trial on this for 4 weeks with our personal referral link, and this can get you started on finding sites for any property strategy. So what we're going to do is go through why most people never build true wealth in property, because they don't solve the real problems. So we're going to outline what the professionals know, the strategy, partnerships and solving pain points. We're going to show you how Alpus transforms property value for owners and investors, wealth building strategies that work in any market, using data-driven tools like Property Filter, success stories and investment case studies. We're going to show you tangible results you'll take with your content, sort of 5+ property strategies, deal walkthroughs and case studies, templates, tools and investor resources, personal connections and partner opportunities. We'll go through myself, Alan Edwards, and the other directors of Alpus Group. That's Louise Suter, who's our group architect, and Anna Lipcheva, who's our director responsible for rentals. We've got an expert guest, Abdur Mokbat from Property Filter, and he's going to give his own presentation about the capabilities of Property Filter. We can't actually feature Jack Dowra in person at the event, but what we can do is explain about Property Entrepreneurs Network and how we, as a member of Property Entrepreneurs Network, benefit from the franchise that we hold with Jack Dowra, who's the founder of the organisation, and how this gives us leads off markets that we can follow up and seek out property owners who have problems that need solving. So who is this workshop for? It's for property owners with challenges to solve. It's for aspiring and experienced investors, and it's for entrepreneurs building wealth through property. We've got bonus gifts for attendees. There's obviously the lunch, the refreshments, the snacks, We're going to give you a principal strategy workbook, private networking group access, free consultation with Alpus Group with one of our directors, myself or Louise Suter or Anna Lipcheva, and a property filter trial discount. So what you walk away with is an actionable strategy and investor toolkit, clarity and confidence in your next move, and new partnership and investment opportunities. So because this is a limited time opportunity, it's only a one-off occurrence, an in-person workshop. It's not being advertised online. Spaces are limited, and you can go there, book your space now, and we look forward to seeing you at the event on the 9th of August at 2 p.m. It's a little bit earlier for lunch, so 1:30 for lunch. Networking, we've got a 1.5 hour workshop, and whatever refreshments and snacks are needed are available at the hotel. So look forward to seeing you at the event. Cheers. If you've got any queries, by the way, you can call me about them. My name is Alan from Alpus Group. My number is 07539 141257, or from outside the UK it's +44 7539 141257. You can call on landline 0333 224 1257, or from outside the UK it's +44 333 224 1257. You can book a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.